Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. If you've watched our videos before, you know we always end with this thought. When designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail. But what does that really mean? In this two-part series, we'll explore over 20 design details, from architectural features to smaller accents, that bring cohesion, elegance, and character to your home. These are the details that can transform a house into a home. Before we begin, you can also download our 5 L's of Styling ebook by signing up to our email list via the link in the description box below. So let's dive in. What does beauty in the detail mean? In interior design, the phrase "beauty is in the detail" highlights the importance of small, often overlooked elements in shaping the overall aesthetic and experience of a space. While furniture and paint colour set the foundation, it's the finer details, such as textures, finishes, lighting and styling choices that bring a home to life. So what should we consider when styling our homes to ensure they are not only functional, but also beautifully curated? Architectural details, laying the foundation of character. Architectural details provide depth and refinement, setting the stage for your home's design. So let's focus on internal features, mainly wall treatments that help elevate your home. Mouldings and trims. Mouldings frame a space, creating a polished and elegant look. Crown moulding defines the transition between walls and ceiling. Baseboards, skirting boards, ground the room and protect walls. Architraves frame doors and windows by adding definition. Wainscoting adds texture. Beadboard offers a relaxed cottage feel. Board and batten adds vertical structure. Shiplap introduces subtle texture for a rustic or coastal look. Picture rails and chair rails add traditional style. Windows and doors. Next, your doors and windows serve as the frame for your space, adding style and elevating the overall look. Here are some ideas. Transom windows add natural light above doorways. Stained glass introduces beautiful colourful patterns. Casement windows offer a classic, timeless design that opens fully for ventilation. Interior and exterior shutters provide privacy and light control while adding decorative appeal. For doors, French doors create a seamless flow between rooms. Arched doors bring softness with their curved shape. Hand-carved details bring artisanal craftsmanship to doors, adding character. Ceiling details. Ceilings, often referred to as the fifth wall, can serve as a striking design feature that enhances the room's character. Coffered ceilings introduce depth with a grid-like pattern. Exposed beams bring warmth and rustic charm. Tray ceilings create subtle, layered dimension. Ceiling medallions beautifully frame chandeliers or pendants. Textile and embellishment details. Textiles are one of the most impactful ways to add warmth, texture and style to your space. Beyond the type of fabrics you choose, here are some decorative details to elevate your space. Pintucking or button details for a refined look. Fringe to add movement and texture. Tassels for a playful yet elegant feel. Piping trim along the edges of soft furnishings for a polished touch. Tufting, where fabric is gathered and stitched into patterns for depth. Applique and embroidery for a more intricate artistic finish. Needlepoint for detailed handcrafted accents. And pleated skirts for a tailored, refined appearance. Lampshade details. Lampshades are an excellent opportunity to add unique detail and elevate your lighting. Consider these decorative elements to enhance your lampshades. Fringe or tassels for a vintage or whimsical touch. Ruching, where fabric is gathered into soft folds for a luxurious effect. Scalloped edges to introduce a romantic vintage feel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to focus on the small yet impactful details that truly make a home feel unique and thoughtful. Whether it's the texture of your fabrics, the finish on your hardware, or even the scent in your space, these thoughtful touches elevate your home and give it character. I'm excited to share part 2 in our next video. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What's your favourite design detail? Or what new detail will you be adding to your space? Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.